To adjust the font size, use on your Galaxy Watch from your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it. Tap watch setting. Next, tap display, and then tap font size. To adjust the font size, slide the font size adjustment bar to the left to get a smaller font, or you can slide it to the right to get a larger font. Given to the function, you can choose a smaller font when you need to fit more text on the screen, or when you are using apps or watch face that require more content visibility. On the other side, you can choose a larger font when you want better readability. Moreover, if you have difficulty reading small text and else. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.